Hey fellow stock guardians, happy Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock card CEO, reporting to you from a mixed stock market once again. I reviewed the new economic legislation proposed by Biden's administration and the impact of a few economic indicators that got published today on the market. I also took a look at the internet's new meme stock, Wendy's, and explored whether it's a good time to buy the dip in MarketAxess's stock. After a volatile day, the market closed with a mix of green and red. A few economic news and indicators pulled the market in opposite directions like a yo-yo. For one, the Treasury Department released its U.S. trade deficit data. March's $75 billion goods and services deficit was the highest level we have seen since 1992. April's data narrowed the gap by about $6 billion, causing the 10-year Treasury yield to fall slightly today. President Joe Biden has been going through the back-and-forth registration discussions surrounding a new infrastructure bill. A White House study found critical supply chains to be very dependent on imports, and Democrats are preparing the bill tomorrow for a vote in the House. They hope to aid domestic manufacturing and production. Those news are among the news and economic indicators that pull the market in opposite directions. As I went through the winners and losers list of stocks on the stock card, I noticed Reddit and retail investors have crowned their most recent meme stock, and it's none other than our favorite fast food restaurant, Wendy's, W-E-N. The birthplace of the Baconator saw more than 25% rise in its stock price by market close. This comes unexpectedly at the hands of the infamous Wall Street Bet subforum. Investors piled on today, claiming that a small retail share float, number of stocks available for trading, and a meme-savvy marketing team is the perfect fire starter for this meme stock. Despite such technical reasoning and hype, the company's operations and fair share price calculations don't support this new price. For example, during the COVID-19 shutdowns, Wendy's did not hold up as well compared to its competitors. Looking at the company's revenue in the last fiscal year, it seems it only grew by 1.4%. Moreover, based on the common valuation ratios such as price to earnings or price to sales ratio, the stock is overvalued even before today's price jump. The stock may be a good addition to a dividend-paying portfolio, but even that is questionable because of its high debt-to-equity ratio. Overall, aside from betting on the meme-driven upside potential, the stock doesn't seem to be a solid pick at this point. As we exit the pandemic chapter, we see many pandemic-era stock prices are adjusting and consolidating. For example, from my 2021 watch list, look at MarketAxess, ticker MKTX. The stock is down to $440 per share from its 52-week high of $660 per share. MarketAxess deals with trading fixed income securities. Credit volatility plays a big part in its business model. Therefore, whenever it announces a decline in trading volume, investor sentiment turns bearish. Lower volume affects its fees, commissions, and ultimately revenue, and that's why investors are a bit bearish. Despite such short-term volatility impact, let's not forget that the securities and bonds are an integral part of the financial world, and MarketAxess is a leader in the field. Judging by its stock card, the company has solid operations, a track record of beating the market, and it's profitable and generates free cash flow. With the recent price fall, it is worth considering picking up some shares. This is a great opportunity to get exposure to the bond market without directly investing in bonds. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try. Research as many stocks and ETFs that you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock pick page on a StockCard platform. And don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word. And help us grow the Stockcardian community by liking, subscribing, and sharing these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. You know how the algorithms work. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, folks.